So we were in Fresno, California. We just installed a new faucet. This is a Moen. Model number is right here. There's a little tag here on the inside of your cabinet Moen gives you. So it's the Moen CA87316C. And we already took the box out, so I don't know what actually model it is, but it's a Moen faucet, limited lifetime guarantee, which means if the finish goes bad, or the sprayer goes bad, or the cartridge goes bad, anything up to the life of the faucet, including replacement, they're going to take care of you. So top brand there. Has integrated supply lines, and so we didn't need to put new supply lines in. We did replace the shutoff valves. We went to shut one off, and it wouldn't shut the water off all the way. The other one began spraying. And you can work on those and fuss with them, but we just opted to put new valves in there. So those are quarter turn shutoff valves, brass craft, and so those are good. And we did flush it before we hooked it up to the faucet. Whenever you take apart iron pipe, you're going to get debris through there. So we took a bucket and some of our own supply lines, flushed out about 5 gallons, so it's nice and clean, and then pushed it up to the faucet. So everything's on. We do ask that you monitor this just a little bit. Same thing with all your plumbing, especially in a cabinet concealed. You want to take a peek occasionally and make sure you don't have any water developing down there. Otherwise, once you get to the place where you've got water damage and mold and whatnot, then you're in trouble. So just keep an eye on these. So we've checked them right now, and I think we're gonna take a closer look at this hot side over here before we go. But anyways, everything in here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.